Today I'm going to replace my air suspension compressor. So the old one is already unscrewed. These are the parts from the old compressor here. After receiving the fault message on my Tesla and short investigation, so I realized that the compressor has died, especially when I was trying to open the lid from that part here. The magnets were just cracked like this. The new compressor is here, so the task is to install it. The process is very easy. I'm not going to show it. And then after that I will insert this new relay to that box, new fuse, and we are done. So here's the new compressor that I'm going to install, like this. So these two pipes here will be connected, 3 screws here, 2 connections, connectors are here, and voila. So the compressor installed, looks like this. Everything is connected. So now I'm going to install the relay and the 40 ohm fuse in here. So this is the relay that I should replace. The relay itself, I have checked this one and it works, but when installing a new compressor you have to replace the relay as well, because otherwise for warranty will not work. So, and the fuse goes here, 40 ohm fuse. So it's done now. So basically connect the power back here, and we check everything for the leakage as well. So the compressor started working. We see the pressure is rising up, and the compressor is lifting up. Let's check the high position as well. Nice. And very top position now. I see how it's lifting up the vehicle, and it stopped working. And we go to the suspension. And we make it low. Nice. So everything works. Now I'll check for some leakages if I find something, but I guess everything is okay. So we are done.